got, if you want to take it, they got a vertebrate-like eye, very sophisticated eye, like a human being. And here's the eye. The giant squid has got the largest eye of any animal that ever existed, about 12 inches across. There's something called the colossal squid. When I was at the National Museum of Natural History in New Zealand, I saw an example of the colossal squid, which is even bigger than the giant squid. So that was kind of cool. But they've got a vertebrate-like eye. Okay, what else do we need?
The funnel, the siphon.
Siphon or funnel. Remember, on top of the head, water gets obviously comes into the mantle or body tube and gets ejected out of this feature that's, notice, you see the siphon or funnel, it's on top of the head. I've got that instrument going through the top of the funnel, and obviously you've got water that gets squirted out of the funnel, right? And the animal we talked about can point it in a number of different directions to change direction. Siphon or funnel. Keep going.
Arms and tentacles.
Okay. The tentacles are the longest ones. You know, it's funny because these got cut off. They should be longer. But here's the tentacles. Somebody cut them off. Here are the arms. They're the shorter ones. Keep going.
Ink sac.
Ink sac is easy. You remember because it's kind of silver or gray. The silver or gray structure is called the ink sac. A number of cultures, actually, Italians for one, actually cook with the ink. So that's kind of interesting. What is the function of the ink or sepia? Yes, if you see these things on television, basically it's almost like throwing up a smoke screen so that predators can't see them. The technical name of the ink is what is referred to as sepia. Sepia is the same thing as the ink of the squid or octopus. What else do we need?
Brachial heart.
All right, the way this is done, and I'm going to show you in relationship to the picture, and I'm trying to get you to show you how this works, you know. It's nice to see the actual a pictorial, okay Myers, hand-eye coordination. It's nice to see a pictorial representation. That's what you're going to be working on, especially people going into some sort of medical program. You're going to be dissecting animals before you're going to be looking at people. So it's nice to look at something like an atlas or a photograph and then figure out what's going on. So here are the gills. If you follow the base of the gills, here are the branchial hearts. They are actually responsible for circulating blood just through the gills. There is one systemic heart. The function of the systemic heart is to circulate blood through the rest of the body. So, one pair of gills, follow the gills, at the base of the gills are one pair of branchial hearts. Are we all right with that? So let's take a look at that. Gill number 1, gill number 2. Go to the base of the gills. Hocus pocus. Here's one branchial heart. Here's another branchial heart. At the base of the gills, follow the gills down. Here's a branchial heart here, and there's a branchial heart there. Are we all right with that? A pair of branchial hearts. What else do I need?
Gills, which you just said, and gonads.
Gonads. This is a little tricky. It's kind of funny because I almost think something is disappearing here. Not disappearing. They may be, this looks like a young one, but we've got problems finding some parts. So let me show you what's going on here. All right, hand-eye coordination. Let's go with it. Let me back this off. "38" is the gonad, okay? And 41 is the intestinal cecum. This tends to be solid. This tends to be kind of fluid filled. The problem is I don't see it too much with, I don't see it really with this one. I don't know if it got ruptured. I don't know if you, I'm not saying you folks took some parts out. This one you can kind of see what's going on with it. Let me show you. Hang on one second. This got ruptured, which was not totally your fault. It's kind of a mess. But what's going on is this is gonad, but obviously it's what? Eggs. Here's your intestinal cecum, which is part of the intestine, and it's almost kind of appears to be gelatinous. So, intestinal cecum right there, got it? Right here, and right there, that's the gonad, but this is a female, and it's loaded with eggs. Are we right with that? If you look at this corresponding thing over here, I don't see it. Unless it's been taken out. If you, I mean, that might be where it was encased, but it's kind of, should we say kind of hollow. I don't see anything there. I don't know if it got cut into or whatever, but you don't really see it too well there. I see it well over there. Okay, what else do we need?
Mantle.
Don't fall asleep now. The body tube's a mantle. Keep going.
Beak.
Ah, that's the fun stuff. So, let's go for the beak. Somebody get me a pair of scissors back there.